Yo guys, today I'm playing Iron Bird. And today, my challenge, since I've decided to do a challenge, is to be a normal bird. Let's see how that goes. I don't actually know what birds normally do. I know they film power wires or whatever they are. And it's really hard to do that. If you guys can do it,
30 seconds remain.
then that's really
Relocate to
good
the
for
main
me.
square immediately. Dramatic size allowed.
Did I just no clip for that? Apparently I can no clip that, but I can't no clip through this. Strange.
This block smells like bakeries.
Update. You are officially late.
No rush.
Move to the central square now. And pretend you were here the whole time.
And I don't know why there's a horror movie of my own bird client. I'm gonna go destroy it. And here's Mr. I'm Cat Wannabe. I think he's obsessed with that game. It would be so cool if there's multiplayer to this game. I feel like they're not going to do that because the developers on this game are working on Iron Cat. Unfortunate. But the reason why I'm making this video is because you guys loved my last video on it. Yeah. I do not know why he's trying to strangle my bird kind. And I do not ever think birds will be that big. Ooh, Coke. Diet Coke. I do not know what I was right here.
He's gone. Great contact.
Oh yeah. An ATM. This looks nice. Beep ba 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 ba. Pizza. Can I eat it? Aww. I'm pretty sure the reason why I can't eat it is because it has mushroom on it. In reality, I hate mushroom pizza. Almost as bad as pineapple on pizza to me. If you like pineapple on mushroom, then let me know in the comments. Which one's better? Pineapple or mushroom on pizza? Or just any other pizza? Personally, I just like plain pizzas. They're basically
Strutting
kind
like
of
I've got a
exceptions.
square.
So yeah,
If it rains, I keep going.
I am a
Put my
hit.
worries to what?
It's gonna hit me.
My helmet contains 80%
I think it's good.